Global learning for fun! Please like and subscribe to our videos. This is my poem titled The Magnificent Sunset. As I was sitting near the sea, watching the fish scurry by, as I turn to leave, I see something sparkle. It was all shades of red, yellow, and orange. As I walked closer, I realized it was bigger than I thought. It was like a half moon, but all the wrong colors. It was a reflection of the sunset in the water. When I looked up, I was greeted by something beautiful and blinding. I captured that moment in my heart. Me, the sunset, the waves crashing against the rocks. I hope you enjoyed my poem. Thank you for watching our channel. For similar content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.